Hey, what is going on everyone? It's Amory McAtamney from Supreme Guru Tech. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download movies and TV shows from Netflix. So if you're going on an airplane or you've just run out of data, there are times when Netflix streaming just isn't possible. So thankfully Netflix does have an option to watch your content offline. And I'm going to show you this now. So what you want to do first of all is go into your Netflix application on your phone. I need to add that not every movie and TV show is available for offline viewing, but I'm going to show you how you work that out. What you want to do first of all is tap on the downloads button. Then what you want to do is tap on where it says find something to download. By tapping this button, this will bring you to the section where you can download TVs and movie shows. So now we can start downloading. All you have to do is tap on the downward arrow and then that will mean that the TV show or movie is starting to download. As you can see where it says downloads, there is a little timer beside it. That lets you know that your program is downloading. If you want to search for a TV show or a movie to download, tap on the search button below. Now type in what you're wanting to download. So for this tutorial purpose, I'm going to select the Friends TV show. So when you've picked your particular episode that you're wanting to download, then all you have to do is tap on the downward arrow as it's circled here. Now that you have downloaded and watched your TV show, what you need to do is tap on downloads and I will show you how to delete this and save space on your phone. Once you've tapped into the download section, you can see the pencil in the top right hand corner. Tap on this. Then tap on the episode or the movie that you want to delete just by tapping on the box. Now we've selected what we want to delete. All we have to do is hit the trash bin in the top right hand corner. And that is how you download movies and TV shows from Netflix.